Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to explore Glen Innes in New South Wales.
Glen Innes is nestled in the picturesque New England region of New South Wales, 569 kilometres north of Sydney. This charming town has a proud Celtic heritage and is rich in history and natural beauty. With its cool climate, rolling countryside and fascinating standing stones, Glen Innes is a must-visit destination.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.
In today's video, we explore the standing stones, see the views from the Skywalk and wander around the Heritage Trail. We visit the Super Strawberry, land of the Beardies Museum and discover Boundary Falls.
One of Glen Innes' most iconic landmarks is the Australian Standing Stones. Completed in 1992, the Australian Standing Stones is the national monument to Celtic people past and present. Every year the Australian Celtic Festival is held here in the first week of May. There are 38 standing stones made of local granite and they are 3.5 metres high. 24 stones are placed in a circle that represents the 24 hours of the day. There is a plaque in the middle that explains how the stones were placed to catch the sun's rays during the year. When viewed from above, the arrangement of the Australian Standing Stones also incorporates the Celtic Cross and the Southern Cross. If it is a sunny day, you can tell the time with the human sundial. You can also try and pull the Excalibur sword from the stone and see Crofter's Cottage, a replica black house.
From the standing stones, we walked up to the Glen Innes Skywalk. This 80-metre boardwalk has 3 viewing platforms with stunning views over Glen Innes and the surrounding countryside. There are information boards at each viewing area, and you scan a QR code to listen to the relevant audio stories.
As you wander along the Heritage Walk, you will see more than 60 stunning historical buildings. The Town Hall in the middle of town is one of the most impressive. It was built in 1887. The Mackenzie building was originally a department store. It was built in 1885 and was the first store in Glen Innes. Now it's the Coles supermarket. The Glen Innes Post and Telegraph Office was built in 1896 and is still in use today. The courthouse was built with basalt stonework in 1873. The Great Central Hotel was built in 1887 on the site of the Telegraph Hotel, which was the first hotel in Glen Innes. Kwong Sing's Emporium was built from 1886 to 1915 and was originally a department store. The iconic Club Hotel was built in 1906. The Chapel Theatre was originally a Methodist church that was built in 1885. St Patrick's Catholic Church was completed in 1909. The original church is now part of the school. Glen Innes also has several lovely parks in the centre of town.
Two kilometres out of Glen Innes is the Super Strawberry, a strawberry farm, gift shop and cafe. They are open daily from 8 AM till 5 PM and have a great range of strawberry-based products including fresh strawberries from October to May, strawberry milkshakes and various jams and preserves.
The land of the Beardies Museum is a folk museum located in the town's first hospital, which was opened in 1877. It is open every day from 10 AM to 2 PM and has a unique collection of local memorabilia from the early settlers of Glen Innes and encompasses its Celtic heritage.
Boundary Falls is located 63 kilometres east of Glen Innes in the Gibraltar Range National Park. From the day use area, it is a 400 metre return walk down to the base of Boundary Falls. There are also great views along the walking track. At the bottom of the steps, you meander along the river until you reach the beautiful Boundary Falls.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to explore at wanderexplorediscover.com.